when we receive a request from this mobile number, we actually automatically fill it. So the user doesn't have to enter his username. The end user has only to enter his or her password. Or if for some reasons this is not actually you, the end user, you can press this link and change the account. So it's pretty simple to use also from the end user perspective. I'm going to enter my password. You probably know it already. And here is the second screen that Luben was talking about. Very important screen. I hope that you were listening. So here is Mighty Heroes 2, is the second version. Requested information from your profile. And here are the scopes. These were the scopes that Luben actually talked about. The scope is in-app billing, because I want to make billing transactions. And the second one is the scope of my item. It's a Mighty Weapon, and here is the description. You might see that the description is actually meaningful text. It's 10% more attack power, and the description that I entered before was the same as the name, Mighty Weapon. This is because this is the second version of the application, which I've already created and registered in another account. And here the end user can say, OK, I trust this application. It's very cool. I want to be charged. I really want this item. I want it now to start playing. Or the user can say, well, I don't know anything about this application. Why is this application requesting these permissions, and I can reject it. Right now, I know that this is a very cool application, and I'm going to allow it. And I'm returned back into my application, and my application is displaying thank you for buying the item. And it will probably enable the item so that the user can use it. So this is basically the flow of this simple application, and I'm going to show you very briefly what is the code that is powering this application. There are really few lines which you have to code, so to say. So the first thing is that I'm actually using an open source library for the OAuth. And I've already included this library. It's here. You can see it. It's signpost. You can download it. You can modify it. It's open source.